G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 20 Cromdale Cct in the popular suburb of Kawungan. We are only minutes away from just about everything that makes Hervey Bay great, and there's a fair bit to take in. So let's go and take a look around. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with owning this lovely home and having Hervey Bay's key amenities including shopping centres, schools, Tafe, university, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach only minutes away. Showcasing a light and spacious single level design, this sound brick and tile home was completed in 2004 and offers an exceptional living retreat positioned on a spacious 707 square metre allotment in a quiet court. Coupled with large windows and neutral colour tones, this home offers open and connected spaces, allowing light and air to fill this home naturally. The open plan main living and dining area truly does form the heart of this home, with two separate spaces to allow everyone their own area to enjoy and watch their favourite television series or movie. The stylish kitchen features loads of bench space for preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. You also have a walk-in pantry and plenty of storage with quality finishes and appliances, which include an induction hot plate with range hood, wall oven and dishwasher. You will enjoy your morning cuppa with the first rays of light or a refreshing beverage with the last rays of light at the end of the day from the coveted north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area, which overlooks the private backyard with water feature. Staying cool over the warmest summer months is as simple as turning on the ducted and zoned air conditioning system which flows throughout this home for year-round comfort. This home has also been oriented to capture the prevailing sea breezes and includes security screens throughout. Those with teenagers or extended family living with them will appreciate the great separation that this home offers, with all 4 bedrooms thoughtfully placed away from the main entertaining zones. There's even space for those long forgotten friends who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. All 4 bedrooms include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and ensuite with a shower, toilet and vanity. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry includes plenty of storage and bench space and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. For vehicle accommodation, there is a spacious double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. And the energy conscious will note that this home includes a 3.5 kilowatt solar power system. Those who enjoy gardening will appreciate the beautiful established gardens, which also include a selection of fruit trees, and you've got raised vegetable beds and a garden shed as well. The owners of this lovely home have committed to selling and are looking for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.